is our money or prosperity dance. Again guys, we have envelopes on the top of your table. Okay, so yung clips po natin nasa coordinators po. Thank you so much po. You may now have your seat. Maliban po kay groom, Mrs. Jane, upo muna kayo. Groom, manatili lang po nakatayo. Harap po tayo sa crowd. So today, our couple would like to have a quick dance together with their parents. So please, let us welcome the mother of our groom. Groom, please take the hand of your beautiful mother at dalhin mo po siya sa gitna. Come on, mommy. Alright. Okay, so once again, let us welcome the mother of our groom, Mami Alicia Lalata. Palakpakan naman po natin, mother of our groom. There we go. And now, here's the sweet dance of our groom together with his mom. DJ, music please.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you.
I swear, thank you so much, Sir Romeo. Groom, you may now have your seat. Thank you so much po. Daddy, you may now have your seat also. Thank you so much. And now, dance of our bride together with her daddy. Okay, now sir, bride, lapitan mo na po si daddy. Okay, so now, here's the sweet dance of our bride together with her dad. Please give them a round of applause.
Two things I know for sure. She was sent here from heaven, and she's daddy's little girl. As I drop to my knees by her bed, she talks to Jesus, and I close my eyes, and I thank God for all of the joy. For butterfly kisses after bedtime prayer, sticking little white flowers up in her.
Araw-araw, walang iba. Sa piling mo, payapa na. Malagas man ang huling himla, at kung ang alaala'y mamumura, panata kong hanapin ka. Pinipili kita na aking ipadarama hanggang sa aking huling paghinga.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, hold it, 4, 3, hold it. Sino pong gutom na? Taas mo kamay. Wala pa. Nasaan na ako? 5 tama po, no? 5. 5, 4, hold it, 3, 3, 3. Ano nga sunod sa 3? 5 po, 5. 4, hold it. 3. 3, ayaw talaga eh. 3. Sino po yung mga nag-travel? Yung mga taga-malayo? Taga saan po kayo? Mindoro. Palakpakan po mga taga-Mindoro. Ayan ang dami. Baka meron pa po mga nag-travel pa. Taga saan po kayo? Pangasinan. Kayo po. Paranaque. Cebu City. Sino po mas malayo? Sa Cebu. Meron pa po ba? Baka may nakalimutan po kami. And by the way guys, please stay until the end of this celebration. Again, samahan po natin ang ating pong couple po. Okay, so coordinators po will roam for the clips. Ayan, so may mga clips po tayo. Thank you so much. Yes, so VIP number 1, lapit na po sa couple. So after po ninyo magpa-picture, pwede na po kayong kumain. Again, don't worry about your food dahil sa servant po tayo ng ating pong mga waiters. And ganun din po sa VIP number 2. Okay? Pa-picture lang po na sa couple and pwede na po tayong kumain. Okay? Alright, so now, our photo booth is back. So kung naiinip po kayo, namatawag po ang inyong table, o picture po muna tayo sa photo booth. Unlimited po ang photo booth po natin. Pwede po magpaulit-ulit, but meron po silang time limit. So sulitin po natin ang time ng photo booth. And again guys, please stay at the po program. Thank you so much guys and enjoy your meal.
Dito ka lang, upo. Yan si Pepe.
See what spring is like on the Jupiter Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Go ahead and do slice your beautiful cake. Go! Yan, sige, lakihan nyo na po ang inyong first slice. Makikitikim ako. Hindi, joke lang po. Patay ni lahat. Go ahead, groom. Go. Ganyan kakamahal ni groom, right? Ayan, sige, kaya bang tanggapin ang pagmamahal ni groom? Ready in 1, 2, 3. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin our bride. At this time, eto na bride. Kaya ka namin hinuli, gaganti ka kasi. Kung nabibitin po kayo, meron pa tayong cake. Pwede pa po kayo kumuha. Okay, now, bride, show us your big love to your handsome groom. Go! Patay ka, groom. Kasama pati pondan. Go! Kaya mo yan, groom. Kaya mo yan. Tanggapin mo ang pagmamahal ni bride. Parang may halong galit, bride. Okay, harap muna tayo sa camera and show your teeth. Labas ang ngipin, smile! Okay, thank you so much, Water po. Ang couple po natin.
Good afternoon po to everyone. So for those who don't know me yet, so I am Miss Maria Jeanette de Luna. I am the maid of honor. So, nakalipang madam, so bawal mo na itag. Nakalip. So, proud ako na ako napili mo. Finally, naka-experience mag-maid of honor before the wedding. Okay, so, first of all, can we take a moment to appreciate how stunning our bride is. Talaga naman, napakaganda, di ba? Sabi nga, iba daw ang glow. May sariling glow ang bride. Uy, sana all. Okay, so, from nung bata tayo na nagkukulot gamit ang dahon ng balinghoy, umadri kakao, at puro pigtails, hanggang ngayon na sobrang elegant mo sa wedding gown mo, chamburing. You've always been beautiful, inside and out, of course. Alam na lahat ng ating pamilya yan. Ay, naiyak. Pero today, you're glowing differently. Why? Talaga naman. Kasi, love does that to a person. Talagang lumalabas ng kagandahan pag in love. At kaya ang sarap ma-in love. Sister, alam mo, nung pinakita mo sa akin yung engagement ring, nakakakilig, syempre. Sobrang saya, syempre. Napatay yung Lord ako para sa'yo. Patiently, kahit sa mga days na medyo dramatic, alam mo naman ang mga girls. Pero seriously, thank you for being her safe place. For making her laugh until her stomach hurts. For being for being the guy who doesn't just say I love you, but show it every day sa small things. Sa pag-alalay, sa pag-intindi, sa pag-stay, at syempre, yung specialty mo, yung pagluluto, diba sis? Alam niyo, growing up with my chamburay was the best gift, especially sa sister ko. We were partners in crime, nung mga bata pa. Parang bahay-bahayan, luto-lutuan. Kasama ko siya lahat. Until nung naglaro kami ng sili, nasabay kaming umiyak dahil ang sili ay napunta sa mga mata namin at nakatulog na lang. But also minsan kaaway din dahil hindi niya ako sinasama sa kanyang bahay-bahayan. Magaling siya gumawa ng bahay-bahayan. Yun. Pero more than all that, Colette, what I admire about her is your heart. Sobrang generous niya magmahal. Pag mahal ka niya, mararamdaman mo. You should remember the small details. Kahit busy, birthday mo, babatiin ka. So, simple lang na pagbati, but still, she remembers you. She shows up sometimes. She fights for the people she loves. And of course, we're so lucky kasi ikaw yung, swerte kami kasi si Romy yung napili mo. At habang buhay mong mamahalin. Romy, I've seen how you look at her. Kahit minsan lang namin ikaw nakasama, pero nakikita namin yung tingin mo sa aming jamboree. Yung tingin na puno ng pride, patience at pagmamahal. Yung tingin na nagsasabing, kahit anong mangyari, I got you. And that's the kind of love every girl's dream of. And seeing my cousin, sister, receive that kind of love, it makes my heart so full. So marriage isn't always easy. Kahit hindi pa ako married. But just my observation. May mga araw na pagod kayo, syempre sa trabaho natin. May misunderstandings, may challenges. Pero what makes a marriage beautiful is choosing each other every day. Choosing kindness over being right. Choosing to listen before reacting. Choosing to love even when life gets messy. So my advice talaga ha, to you both is simple. Keep dating each other. Kahit may bills na, may trabaho na busy, make time to laugh together like how you did nung simula na nagkakilala kayo. Pangalawa, pray together. Let God be the center of your marriage. And never go to sleep angry. Mag-sorry agad kahit hindi kasalanan ng Romy. Para tapos na agad. And pride is overrated. Love is not. Sister, I'm so proud of the woman you become. You're kind, you're strong, and you love deeply. And I'm so happy that gets to spend forever with that heart. Romy, alagaan mo siya. Mahalin mo siya on her good days and bad days. Make her feel chosen every day. Kasi she's worth all of it and more. To everyone here, marriage is about building in a life together. About finding your person, your home, your forever, parang totoo palang may soulmate. And today, we witness to people who found that in each other. May your love story be your favorite story. May your marriage be filled with more laughter than tears, more patience than pride, and
Best man, you may now have your seat. And now, before we proceed to the last tradition, let us hear their vows to each other. So, tayo po kayo, bride and groom. Pakinggan po natin ang kanilang vows para sa isa't isa. Okay? Sino po mauna? Who goes first? Ladies first.
Pero may ingay, sa tita nagasalita.
Love, congratulations dahil ako nakakasawa mo. At syempre, I'm so blessed na ikaw yung taong binigay at inilaan ni Lord na makakasama ko habang buhay. It's been 5 months, pero parang kilalang-kilala natin ang isa't isa. Napakabilis ng pangyayari at heto tayo ngayon, standing before God and surrounded by everyone we love. Looking at you today, I can't help but be grateful for how beautifully God wrote our story. Parang kailan lang, pinapangarap mo lang ako dati. Nagpapapansin. Binibigyan akong ano-ano, flowers, pick-up lines na corny, good morning notes, rambutan na nakabuke pa. Tapos may mga sangatahon pa. Dahil alam mo na favorite ko to. Pero di ko kinakain kasi alam ko na galing sa'yo. Dati makita lang kita na nakatingin sa akin. Inis na inis ako sa'yo. Pero ngayon, ayaw na kita mawala sa mga paningin ko. Kidding aside, thank you love dahil hindi ka sumuko. Salamat dahil pinatunayan mo na ang tunay na pagmamahal ay marunong maghintay. Umunawa, hindi agad sumusuko. Hindi naging perfecto ang buhay natin bago tayo nagkakilala. Pero ngayon, habang nakatingin ako sa'yo, naiintindihan ko na ang lahat. Naiintindihan ko na kung bakit may mga bagay na hindi agad binigay sa akin. Kung bakit may mga pinto na isinara at pagkakataong hindi nangyari. Dahil inhanda pala tayo ni Lord para sa isa't isa. You came into my life and showed me a love that feels safe, peaceful, and genuine. A love that feels like home. Ang sarap palang maging Disney princess. Today, I promise to be your partner in every season of your life. Pangako ko na mamahalin kita, hindi lang kapag madali, kundi lalo na kapag mahirap. Pipiliin kita hindi na ngayon, kundi sa araw-araw ng buhay mo. At kapag dumating na ang panahon na pareho na tayo tumanda, ay pareho na pala tayo matanda. Hindi, pag senior citizen. Gusto kong balikan natin ang araw na ito at masabing ginawa natin ang lahat na may pagmamahal, buong puso at pananampalataya. Above all, I promise that God will always remain at the center of our marriage. Because I know that same God who brought us together will continue to guide us through every chapter of our lives. Ngayon, handa na akong maging mabuting asawa at ina, katulad ng aking nanay, at kasing lakas at tatag katulad ng aking tatay. At sa tulong ng Diyos, bubuo tayo ng pamilya na masaya, puno ng pagmamahalan at may pananampalataya. Madalas mo nang maririnig ngayon ang love, uwi ka na, hinahanap ka na ng mga bata. I love you, my husband, my safe place, my best friend, and my forever.
Magandang araw po sa amin lahat. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa Panginoon at pinagkaloob sa amin ang araw na ito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng taong nandito ngayon para makisaya at makisaksi sa isa sa pinakamahalagang araw ng buhay natin. Sa amin pong mga magulang, tay, mami, daddy, maraming salamat po sa mga pangarap, gabay at pinakamatamis na pagmamahal na lagi niyong pabaon sa akin para harapin ang haba ng aming buhay. At para sa iyo, Daud. Hindi ko man inakala noon na darating tayo sa puntong ito. Pero hito tayo ngayon. Magkahawak kamay, handang harapin ang ating buhay. Hindi naging perfecto ang simula ng kwento natin. May mga sitwasyon na hindi umayon sa panahon upang hubugin tayo na maging mas matay. Pero sa kabila ng lahat, may isang bagay akong napatunayan. Ang tunay na pagmamahal, minsan dumarating sa parang hindi natin inaasahan. Pero kapag ito ay totoo, dinuturuan tayo nitong maging mas mabuting tao. Salamat sa pag-intindi, sa pagtanggap, at sa pananatili kahit hindi naging madali ang lahat. Naalala mo ba yung unang kasal natin? Kasal-kasalan na parang isang biro lang ang lahat. Pero kahit gano'n, hindi natin maipagkakailan. At baka sa ating mukha kung gaano tayo kasalanan mga sandaling yun. Ngunit sadya nga bang biro lang yun kung tunay ang pag-ibig na nadarama. O baka naman, sadyang hindi pa yun ang perfect timing ng Panginoon para sa atin. At akalain mo nga naman, yung mga taong kasama natin noon, na nagbigay ng suporta sa pag-ibigan ngayon, at nagsilbing ninong at ninang natin, sila yung mga kasama natin ngayon na kahit parang isang katuwaan lang. Ayan sila. Sir, thank you, sir. Today, I choose you not just for this moment, but for every ordinary and extraordinary that follows. I promise to love you with patience and kindness, to listen when you speak and even when you don't, and to respect the person you are and the person you become. I promise to stand with you in joy and in hardship, to celebrate your victories, our victories, and help carry your burdens. To laugh with you, grow with you, and build a life rooted in trust. I choose you as my partner, my safe place, my greatest adventure. I promise to keep choosing you in love, in honesty, and in hope for all the days of my life. I love you, Lord.
Palapakan naman po natin. Thank you so much. Nakakakilig naman po kanilang love story. Thank you so much to our couple. Grabe po, talagang ramdam na ramdam po natin ang kanilang pagmamahalan. And now, for our last tradition po, dove lifting po tayo, okay? Alright, so now, before po natin itaas ang kalapate, paghalikin niyo po muna. Okay, mukhang ayaw po. Huwag niyo na pong pilitan, parehas po kasing lalaki po yan. Groom, kiss mo na lang po si Bride. Kiss mo si Bride. Okay, so now, in count of 3, sabay